Today in this video we are going to discuss about medial plantar nerve and lateral plantar nerve. So first we are going to start with the medial plantar nerve. You can see here this is a medial plantar nerve and this is a lateral plantar nerve. So actually this is the largest terminal branch of the tibial nerve and it resembles the median nerve of the hand of upper limb. So there are different branches of this medial plantar nerve. There are like muscular branches which supply especially four muscles, that is the abductor hallucis. You can see the branch to abductor hallucis, this one. This is the first muscular branch. And there is flexor digitorum brevis, a branch to flexor digitorum brevis, which receives branches from main trunk of the nerve near its origin, this one. And next comes flexor hallucis brevis. So the flexor hallucis brevis, you can see here this is a branch to flexor hallucis brevis. Especially it's coming from first digital nerve, and there is also one of muscular branch for the first lumbrical. So this is a branch for first lumbrical, which is from the second digital nerve. So actually these four are called as digital nerves. You can see the first digital nerve, second digital nerve, third, fourth. So first digital nerve supplies flexor hallucis brevis. Second digital nerve supplies the first lumbrical, and near the origin there are other two muscular branches. One is to abductor hallucis and one is to flexor digitorum brevis. So these are all the these are the four muscular branches of our medial plantar nerve, and it also gives a cutaneous supply, especially skin of medial part of the sole and medial 3.5 toes. You can see uh, 1 2 3 1 2 3.5. So medial 3.5 toes are supplied by this by four digital branches. You can see here 1 2 3 4 four digital branches, and the first digital nerve supplies the medial side of great toe. The second nerve supplies the adjacent sides of first and second toes, whereas the third nerve supplies the sides of first and second, and the third nerve supplies second and third toes, whereas the fourth one supplies third and fourth toe. So the each digital nerve gives off dorsal branch which supplies the structures around the nail of the digit concerned. So dorsal branch is for the nails, as this is the plantar surface. These are the plantar digital branches, but this plantar digital branches only also supply the nails by means of their dorsal branches, and they also have articular branches which supply the joints of tarsus and metatarsus. So the joints of tarsus and metatarsus are supplied by articular branches. So this is about medial plantar nerve. Next we'll discuss about the lateral plantar nerve by other diagram. So in this diagram you can see clearly the tibial nerve is dividing into the medial plantar nerve and the lateral plantar nerve here. Actually these nerves are also accompanied by the same name arteries, like a medial plantar artery and lateral plantar artery, you can see. And this below one, this is forming a plantar arch which with a deep branch of lateral plantar nerve. So actually this lateral plantar nerve also forms the plantar arch. So now we'll discuss about this lateral plantar nerve. This one you can see it's arising here. So the lateral plantar nerve is a smaller terminal branch of tibial nerve, and it is resembling the ulnar nerve in the hand. So the main branches supplies two muscles, that is the flexor digitorum accessorius, this one. This is a branch to flexor digitorum accessorius, and next one supplies to the abductor digiti minimi. So you can see the branch to abductor digiti minimi. So it supplies this two muscles, and also it supplies the skin of the sole. So you can see here these are the branches to lateral part of skin of sole. So this is supplying these muscles and skin of skull. So the main trunk mainly ends by dividing into superficial and deep branches. You can see here this is the main trunk, this is dividing into the superficial. This side is superficial branch and this side is a deep branch. Okay. So the superficial branch in turn divides into two branches, that is lateral and medial branches. You can see this is a superficial branch, this is dividing into the lateral branch, and this is the medial branch. So the lateral branch supplies three muscles, that is the flexor digiti minimi brevis. So you can see the flexor digiti minimi brevis. This is on lateral supplied by lateral branch of superficial branch of our lateral plantar nerve. And the lateral branch also supplies three muscles, that is flexor digiti minimi brevis and third plantar and fourth dorsal interossei. So third plantar interossei and fourth dorsal interossei are supplied, and also the skin on lateral side of little toe. This skin is also supplied by this lateral branch. Coming to the medial branch, this communicates with medial plantar nerve and supplies the skin lying in the fourth interdigital cleft, so over this area. Now coming about the deep branch, the deep branch mainly supplies 9 muscles including second, third, fourth lumbricals. So it supplies second, third, fourth lumbricals and second, third, fourth lumbricals, and also the adductor hallucis. You can see here to the adductor hallucis, this one, and also it supplies to the first, second, third dorsal interossei, first, second, third dorsal interossei, and also to second plantar interossei, the first three metatarsal spaces. So in the first three metatarsal spaces, it supplies to plantar interossei and also to dorsal interossei. So this is about our lateral plantar nerve. So in this video we have covered both the medial plantar and lateral plantar nerve. In the next video we will start with medial plantar artery and lateral plantar artery.